Hello everybody, welcome to the first maths meeting for this week, and we always start our maths meetings by saying I love maths. And what do you say? Say it really loudly. We love maths. And our number today is the number 8. So have you got your fingers ready? Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, our number today. And that is the Numicon piece for 8. But we can use other Numicon pieces to make 8. So let's have a look at another way. We've got a number 4. So 4, what other shape would we need? We'd need 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'd need another 4. 4 and 4 makes 8. Now you're going to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones make 8. And we have a picture of an engine, and then it's got some carriages, and it's got 2 carriages, and then it's got 3 more, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more, 1, 2, 3, and 2 and 3 and 3 makes 8. So that engine's going to have 8 carriages. Now we all know what this is because we looked at this last week, and it's called a number line. And this number line goes from 0 to 20. We're going to count together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Can you find 8 on the number line? So have a look and see. Will it be in the red section or the blue section? Where's number 8? There it is, number 8. And if you were drawing number 8, you would go round and then back round and up to the top. Count on 1. Count on 1. So you need one more than 8. So if you have 8, one more would be 9. And there is number 9. Count on one more from number 9. So if you've got 9, one more would be 10. Let's see if that's right. 10. And one more than 10 would be 11. Now it says, count back 1. So we go the other way. So if you've got 8, you want 1 less than 8. Count back. So the next number, the number before 8 would be number 7. And 1 less than 7 would be 6. And 1 less than 6 would be 5. So we were counting back on the number line. What shape is that? I think you know. It's a triangle. And it's a bit of a different triangle to the one we normally show you, because remember, triangles come in different sizes and they point in different directions, and some are very tall. But all triangles have 3 vertices, 3 corners, 1, 2, 3, and they have 3 straight lines, 1, 2, 3. So triangles have 3 vertices and 3 straight lines. We're now going to look at some pictures of structures that use triangles. There's the first picture is of a bridge, and you can see how it's supported with steel or metal triangles, because triangles are the strongest shape in building. So let's have a look and see how people have used it. There's a very tall building that's in San Francisco in America, and that's a hotel in Holland, and they've got lots of triangles on top of each other, 3D triangles. They look like they're balancing. And that's a very old tower. It's called the Eiffel Tower. It was built in France a long time ago, and they used triangles to build that. And the last picture is amazing. Look at that building. That's a building in China, and it's a sports centre. So it's where you can go and do lots of sports. And there are lots, there's big triangles and little triangles. So triangles are a very good shape to use when you're building things. How many did you see? Did you see 8? I saw 4 and 4 make 8, but maybe you saw it a bit differently. Let's do the next one. Okay, you ready? Oh, how many did you see that time? How many do you think? Should we have a look and see? 4 and 4 again, but in a different pattern. Have a look and see. And 4 and 4 make 8, but maybe you saw it a bit differently. And here's a 10 frame. It has 10 spaces in it. And another 10 frame with 10 spaces in it. We're going to fill it up together. So are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 purple dots. We filled up 8 spaces. How many spaces on that 10 frame are left? So we had 8. How many are left on the 10 frame? 2. 8 and 2 make 10. Let's fill up a few more spaces and see. Oh, that green dots appeared. That's on number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we've now filled up both 10 frames. But if we go back and we count the green dots, let's see how many green dots we've got. We've got 8 purple dots and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 and 12 makes 20. Let's see if we can write that. But before we do that, one of the dots has changed into an orange dot. Which space is that orange dot in? I'm going to let you think. It's in space 18. Did you get it right? 18. Now let's see. How many purple dots did we have? Do you remember? 8. And if we add the green dots, add, can you remember how many green dots we had? 10 and 2 more, 12. 12 green dots, and that makes all together equals 20. So 8 add 12 equals 20. Which triangle can we cut into 2 equal pieces? Equal meaning the same. So we have a blue triangle and a pink triangle. We get our scissors and we're going to cut the blue one. Boom. And we're going to get our scissors and we're going to cut the pink one. Boom. Which one have we cut into 2 equal pieces? The blue one or the pink one? Have a think. I think it might be the pink one. If you knew it was the pink one, well done. You got it right. Now, which object do you think is heaviest? Do you think it's the basket with the big oranges or the basket with the little oranges? I think it may be the basket with the little oranges, because although they're smaller, there's a lot of them. And there's only a few big ones. So I think it's that one. But look at these. We've got, a very smart racing car. I think that might be my car. And we've got a bus. Oh, a bus is much bigger than a car, so a bus must be heavier than a car. But if you look at them, the car is a real car and the bus is a toy bus. So which one do you think is heavier? Heavier. Which one? I think it's the racing car. Have a look at these. It says which bus is the odd one out. So let's have a look at what we've got. We've got a modern bus, one we might see on the roads. That's a number 10 from Hammersmith. And then we've got, a very old bus, picture of a very old bus from a long time ago. And an old bus, but not as old as the one before, and that's a number 9 bus. And a bus that goes to Victoria in London, but that doesn't have an upstairs, that's only got a downstairs. That's not a double decker. And a yellow school bus. Which one do you think doesn't belong? Could it be maybe the black and white bus? Because it's not in colour. Could it be the yellow school bus? Because all the other buses are London buses and that yellow school bus belongs in America. What do you think? And I've got something to show you. A picture that somebody did of triangles, using triangles, and they drew lots of triangles and coloured them in and they made the most beautiful picture. So I thought I'd show you that, and then maybe if you want to cut some triangles out or colour some in, maybe you could make a beautiful picture using triangles. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a lovely day and keep counting. Bye everybody.